This is how we made The Sound of Violet days 12 through 15.
Say hello, Jason.
Hello, Jason.
See, he does exactly what I asked him to do. He's an actor.
Hello. Women dress so edgy these days.
Here we have some of our camera equipment, DIT, which is, they're in charge of all the film footage, and then here's where we have makeup and hair getting ready for the big scene that we'll be shooting very shortly. So there's a little behind the scenes look. We just have 5 days left of filming, and then editing and post-production will begin. So hopefully that gives you a sense of what it's like at the beginning of the day of filming a motion picture.